So today I'm going to be using PubLab to show 3 different types of different things that we can use. So I'm going to use ACL, again like I did for my other video, and I'm going to press search. And so I have it set for review, so they're peer reviewed. And so after I do this, I now have multiple things to choose from, but here's the first article that I could use. I'm going to go back. This is the second. And we can go back. And third. And so I could do this, and then along with this, I could also do multiple things with advanced. So I could do ACL, and then I can do and MCL, and then I can press search, and that will give me different outcomes, and I can do that with and or not. And so I could do ACL or MCL and search, and then these are the outcomes that I would get. And that's how to use that. Thank you.